Welcome to Topic 4, Data-Driven Analytics, Strategical Decisions. Today's digital path to purchase is more complex than ever. Purchasers may interact with your brand across multiple channels before actually completing a purchase. You can no longer just measure the last touch and shut down channels that actively assisting with sales but aren't the last touch point. Accurate measurement is the essential foundation upon which your ongoing learnings, decisions, and optimizations are built. Data analysis is the activity to make sense of data you've gathered through tools. The data-driven analytics refers to information and how you're gathering information. When a company looks for ways to extract and examine data value with the purpose of serving their customers and consumers, this is an approach of decision-driven data analytics. This way, it's finding data for a purpose, not finding a purpose for data. Data-driven analytics thinking process. These are the general phases of data and the iterative nature of the process where data exploration is repeated until right understanding and models fit right business problems. As we have seen on other topics, analytics can be used to unravel specific marketing problems. Different data-driven organizations engage in multivariate A/B testing, trying two or more creatives and monitoring response. Attribution modeling, collecting all interactions for traffic channels and determining relative impact. Website optimization, track all website information and improve design according to user experience. Media optimization, to determine what media channel works and what doesn't. Remember, there are several tools for analyzing web analytics and understanding data. Google Analytics is the leading platform that enables you to see all indicators on your web traffic, organic and paid, and digital marketing campaign attribution to sales. This will help you make more data-driven strategical decisions. The ABC of analytics. At Analytics, we can see a diverse panel menu with audience, who visited my site, did my users return to my site, acquisition, how did users get into my site, by which channel, source, or medium, behavior, what are users doing on website, conversions, what actions are users taking to complete set goals, the tracking of declared goals, purchases, and product performance. Measurement of KPIs at Conversions tabs. At Conversions tab, you can track e-commerce KPIs, such as sales, transactions or conversions, average order value, conversion rate, cart abandonment rates, and repeat purchases. Non-e-commerce KPIs include cost per lead, total leads, trial signups, conversion rates, unique leads, or comments submitted. Importance of tagging campaigns. To reduce bias on data and have a tracking of custom campaigns, all must have a tag, so all information can be at its correct channel at Analytics. Tagging according to source of traffic. There are sources of traffic that can be auto-tagged and sources that come without auto-tagging, and tags must be constructed. Sources that come with auto-tagging are direct, organic search, or referral. Sources without auto-tagging are email, paid search, display, and social. For those sources, you'll need the creation of a tag, or UTM, working tracking module, tag parameters. This is an example of UTM parameters. Source, Facebook, medium display, campaign, award, branding, March, content, t-shirts. UTM building will be as the following, and this example URL you must enter at your ads. Attribution modeling. We have been talking about how channels interact with each other to drive conversion and sales. So we can assign credit to each channel along journey for the part it played in the purchase or decision-making process. This is called attribution. Attribution modeling analyzes how overlapping marketing channels combine and assigns value to each of these channels in a manner that most fairly reflects their contribution to the overall result, which is measured by the number of conversions or revenue. Imagine a soccer match. The result is 4-0. One player scored twice, and two others scored one goal each. This is how it looks in the last kick model. So if we decide that part of the reward should go to the players who pass the ball to the players who scored, the share of reward will look something like this. Each player contributes to the result and should be rewarded. Sales attribution models. There are several sales attribution models, each assign value to channels based on specific priority of characteristics, which are last interaction or last click, where all the credit goes to the very last touch point right before the conversion. This is the default at Google Analytics. Time decay. Credit is given in increasing amounts to the touch points closest to the conversion. Linear attribution. Equal credit is assigned to every touch point. And position-based. The bulk of credit goes to the first and last touch points, with the middle points receiving the least amount of credit. At Google Analytics, inside Multi-Channel Funnels report, you can access to attribution reports. That allows you to see different models and understand the value of each channel based on the model chosen. Once you have analyzed each channel and how it contributes to a purchase on goal, it helps you to see where it is most effective in the user journey and optimize it. Data-driven attribution model. This is the most accurate and effective attribution model, as it automatically assigns value to channels and enables you to quickly tailor your marketing strategy based on channel performance. Analyzes all customer data and tells which touch points are outperforming the best. Also adapts to what historical data tells you. It can be an additional cost, can bring a higher ROI on a marketing budget. There is no perfect attribution model available. Each model should be unique for each business, depending on its goals and KPIs. A perfect attribution model would assign to each advertising channel a value equal to the loss of revenue that would occur if the given channel was removed. However, the only way to verify the accuracy of such model is A/B testing done to the user buckets, where one of the groups is exposed on a certain marketing channel and the other is not. Data can give us a form of evidence to back up hypotheses and give managers the confidence to jump into decisions and processes without taking a leap in the dark. But simply aspiring to be data-driven is not enough. To achieve data-driven approach, companies must develop cultures in which this mindset can flourish. Leaders can promote this shift through example and put into practice these new habits to argument decisions in data.